Sleep is an essential physiological need for human beings. It is crucial for the functioning of our body and mind. Getting enough sleep can help improve mood, cognitive function, and overall health. However, sometimes we may not be able to get enough sleep at night. In such cases, taking a nap during the day can help make up for the lost sleep and provide several benefits. First, let's understand why we need sleep. When we sleep, our body goes into a state of repair and regeneration. During this time, our body produces hormones and proteins that help repair damaged cells and tissues. Sleep also helps boost our immune system and improve our mood. Getting enough sleep is crucial for the proper functioning of our body. It is recommended that adults get 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night. However, many people struggle to get enough sleep due to various reasons such as work, stress, or lifestyle factors. In such cases, taking a nap during the day can help make up for the lost sleep and provide several benefits. One of the most significant benefits of napping is that it helps reduce drowsiness and restores energy. A nap can provide a quick energy boost, especially if someone has not had enough sleep the night before. Even a short nap of 20 to 30 minutes can help reduce drowsiness and make one feel more alert and focused. Taking a nap can also improve cognitive function and productivity. Studies have shown that napping can help improve memory, learning, and creativity. It can also help improve reaction times and decision-making abilities. Therefore, taking a nap during the day can be beneficial for students, professionals, and anyone who needs to be productive during the day. Napping can also help reduce stress and improve mood. Stress can affect our sleep, and lack of sleep can worsen stress levels. Taking a nap can help reduce stress levels and promote relaxation. It can also improve mood and reduce the risk of depression and anxiety. Despite the benefits, napping is not recommended for everyone. People who have sleep problems such as insomnia or sleep apnea may find that napping during the day disrupts their sleep at night. Additionally, napping for too long or too frequently can interfere with nighttime sleep and make it harder to fall asleep at night. When taking a nap, it is essential to keep it short and not too close to bedtime. A 20 to 30-minute nap during the early afternoon is ideal. It is also crucial to create a comfortable and conducive environment for napping, such as a quiet and dark room with a comfortable bed or couch.